Morning.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Morning. Is this, who do we have on the screen? Moto G. You're gonna have to, I don't believe you're hooked up to audio. You have to hook up to audio. Is this case on Leticia Lopez?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Now you have to unmute the screen, Moto G, press the blue button.
There it goes. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, your name?
My name is Sammy Chavez. I'm a cousin of Leticia Lopez.
You're a what?
I am the cousin of Leticia Lopez.
Okay, is Leticia Lopez with you?
Yes. No, she's currently in the hospital.
Okay, you're cutting in. and out.
Okay, there. Can you hear me now, sir?
Yes,
Okay, my reason for being here is I sent your court coordinator and Wendy some paperwork showing that currently she's being observed with a psychiatric. She won't be released until the 12th of November. I was trying to send all this paperwork to you ahead of time, but under the HIPAA Act, I can't get nothing released to me unless it's under her consent. And with her being observed, she can't. But I did get some documentation showing she's in the hospital or she's being observed. I believe Wendy's got the paperwork right now. She gets off observation on the 12th of November. So I'm just here to pass on the message of what's going on with her. That's it, sir.
Okay.
Just to see if she could get an extension or whenever she gets off the observation with the site. She's got PTSD from the Army, sir. That's why she was a veteran, sir. So she has a lot of PTSD.
Mr. Hirsch, I'm just reading the petition. Plaintiffs didn't enter lease. Well, tell me about Mr. Hirsch. Why are you evicting?
Yes, Judge. Well, if you actually recognize Mr. Chavez, I believe he's actually at the property, but we were before your court maybe 6 months ago.
Yes, I recall.
Mr. Chavez didn't leave the property. He is, quote unquote, watching the property for Leticia and Gloria, and there are lease violations for both of them. So my clients have decided to terminate their possession and file for the eviction under the property code and the
Okay.
Texas civil procedure.
Okay, what specifically is the reason for eviction?
Well, Judge, they were month-to-month tenants, so there's no specific reason
Okay,
required.
so, but this is a holdover then?
It's tenancy at sufferance. Yes, Judge.
Okay. So month to month, and I'm looking at your exhibits. Okay. Okay, 30 days, okay. Okay, so, and the notice to vacate. So was the post office, USPS shows it delivered. This wasn't signed for, or was it?
Well, Judge, in addition to sending it by certified mail, it was also posted to the door.
No, I saw that. I was just asking, what did she sign? Was this return receipt requested or no?
Let me see. It was return receipt requested. It says delivered left with individual, but it does not say who it was left with.
But you didn't get a green card back?
Let me double check. I don't think that we did on that particular one, Judge.
Nope.
I'm checking in the file to see, but I do not think that we got one back.
Okay. Do you have video?
Yeah, I just turned it off so I could look at the. That's to you. No, Judge, I don't think we got it back on that one.
Okay. Okay. And no rent has been accepted for, I guess it would be the month of October.
Judge, no rent has been paid from April 2021 to October 2021.
Okay, but you're not requesting any rent, you're just evicting for holdover, correct?
Correct.
Are you requesting attorney's fees?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, you want to testify as to attorney's fees?
Your Honor, at this time, given the complexity of the case, the other El Apple factors, the uniqueness, given the situation with a person that was previously evicted, having been invited back to watch an apartment in violation of another lease. Another,
No, yeah, sorry, yeah. I'll take it. Okay, thank you. I'm sorry, go ahead.
attorney's fees in the amount of $1,500 would be reasonable.
Yeah, I'm not going to grant $1,500. I'll grant $750. Okay, court cost of 146, interest the amount of 5.5%. I'm going to grant defendant's order to vacate. Mr. Chavez, are you authorized to appear on her behalf, or you're just doing it out of?
Well, Mr. Pearson, what, if I may speak, sir, with your respect, Your Honor,
You can answer
she's
my question.
all right, I didn't hear you. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Are you authorized by Mrs. Lopez to represent her or to appear for her?
Well, sir, she's not currently able to come, so I'm just here right now for her just to let you know that she couldn't make it to the court hearing. That's all, sir. That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay.
She's sick right now, and she won't be released till the 12th of November. I can't get the documentation because under the HIPAA Act, I can't get no medical documentation released by her doctor unless it's released by her or given consent by her, sir.
And she hadn't given consent. Okay. Okay, I'm going to grant the eviction. The attorney fee is $750 and the court cost of $146. Okay, anything further?
Yes, Mr. Pearson. I am gonna ask if because I know she was gonna appeal the case if she wasn't present. So I'm gonna ask for an appeal. She's gonna ask for an appeal in this case.
You just stated that you weren't authorized by her. I don't know how you can know what she's going to do as far as appeal.
She had told me this before she went into the hospital.
Okay, okay. Well,
That's why. So my consent is to try to appeal the case. With your respect, Your Honor. Okay. She has 5 days to appeal the case, right, sir?
anybody, the period for appeal is 5 days for all parties.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
That's what I want to do. Thank you, sir.
thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Hirsch. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.
Judge, we have another one right now.
I think it has a different log on, does it not?
Is it it might be, we'll try the other one. We'll go ahead and do that.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
Your Honor, can I ask a question, sir?
Sure.
With the appeal process, sir, do I need to have her there to do the appeal herself, or can I do it for her? She gives me consent.
I don't give legal advice on actions in the future, so if you need to
No, that's fine. That's fine, sir. I
consult with an
can,
attorney, you can do that.
yeah, what I'll do is I'll just make sure she can get out there and do the appeal herself. She has 5 days to appeal it, right, sir?
As I stated before, the period for appeal is 5 days for all parties.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.